Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You're here with your girl Jamaican Kim. So today we'll be trying out some TikTok acts. Did I say that properly? I have a list tongue, okay? I have a list tongue. So today in the video we'll be trying out some TikTok acts, some breakfast TikTok acts. So guys, stay tuned and see what we will be chewing. Alright, let's watch this video and see how they do this thing. Alright, so then boil the franks. Why you do with that now? Cut off piece. Alright. We can do that. We can do that. That's not hard, right? Slice it. Alright. Oh, he's making the art. Okay, and turn it back, we make the art. Alright. And he's using the toothpick to hold it. Okay then. Alright, this look pretty easy, guys. I think we can do this. Adding some oil in the pot. Easy peasy. Okay, he's frying the franks. He's frying the hot dog. Okay. This is pretty easy, guys. So I think we can conquer this. Flip it. Okay. And he's throwing in the egg in the middle. That's so easy. I think we can do this. Alright guys, let's try and do this and see if it can come out the same way. Alright guys, so the first step we're going to do is to put our franks to boil. So I already have mine. Where? Right here. I already have mine boiling in the back. You see it on the stove. So I already have mine boiling. And I'm using the Grace franks. Alright. And I'm going to use 2 because I'm really hungry. Alright, so let that boil for a bit and then we're going to get back to it. See Romisa in the background. Can you see her? Yeah, she's watching her tablet. Alright guys, so I think my franks are finished boiling. I think they're ready. What do you think? Alright guys, so let us take it out and do the next step. See if this will come out good. So guys, I actually want some onions on my egg. So I know it's different from what I know it's different from what he did, but I want some onions in my eggs, okay? So I'm gonna cut up some onions and I'm gonna put it in the egg. See my pot on the stove, it's getting hot. My frying pot. So let's hurry up and cut up these onions to go inside of the egg. Actually forgot that he fried his franks before, and I'm here mixing up egg and all of these things, and I haven't fried my franks as yet. So I'm going to put the franks to fry. Man, me I go backwards. I'm going all backwards. Man. Alright, so I put some onions in my eggs because that's how I want it. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. And I'm going to put some black pepper and salt in it. But first, let us deal with the franks first, right? We're going to get the arch shape of the franks, like in the video. Alright guys, so we have our franks. What he did again? I think I have to go back and watch that video, you know. Hold on, let me go and check what he did again. Alright guys, so I think in the video I saw him alright, I thought he sliced piece of the franks. Alright, and then slice the other one. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Alright, so I think, alright, how this go? So we're not going to use these. So we're only going to use these two parts, right? Okay. I think you start from somewhere here. Go down. Guys, sorry for the noise in my background, okay? Some construction is going on. Ooh, this look nice. This look nice. Alright, so I have my art. I put my art there. Alright, let me try with the other one and see if it will come out nice. Alright, go one side, art. You go one side with your good looking self. You think we should have put the split down somewhere, guys? Just a little bit more. Alright. Sorry. Alright, so let's do the other. Let's do it with the other one. Start it from right here. And go down some more. Alright. Guys, I think I'm doing a good job. What do you think? I think I'm doing a good job so far. I think I'm doing a good job. So you know what happened now? I don't have any toothpick. Sadly, I don't. My daughter broke up all of the toothpick that I had. I thought I had some, but I don't. So how are we going to work it out now, guys? I don't know how we're going to work it out. But we have to try and make it work, right? So we have our art here. And I think the next thing we're going to do is to put it in the frying pot. Alright, so let me do that and then come back. How am I get this in this now? Tell me how am I do this? Hold it like a this. Alright. No sir. This start been up already. This start give me trouble already, guys. Not a backside. When the heart shape they were me have a while ago. No. Nobody can't give me no trouble anymore, man. What the hell is going, guys? This don't look like a heart again. This look like a heart get broken. Why is this looking like this? Oh shit. Guys, give me a second. I'm coming back. So, I actually get to put it in the pot, see? But, yeah, I know I need a new frying pot. So what? It have to go on for now. Okay? So anyways, so I get the franks them in the pot, right? My fire is on low, so I think I'm going to turn it up a little bit. So, remember I told you that I don't have any other toothpicks. So I guess I just saw it have to go work. So I think I can just do something like this and hold the arts together. Maybe. And hope it don't break apart. You think it will work? But when we throw the egg inside, it's gonna need something to hold it. Oh! The hell? Guys, when I see that, may I get pop. I'll burn me up on all these things. For the try TikTok acts, I'll burn me up. Alright, so, alright, maybe we'll make that go and fry. We did really need to pick. You know, so the little girl get agree with me. Honestly, I thought I had the toothpicks, guys. And when I check it out, I can't find them. And then I remember that she broke all of them playing Dolly House. Sure. Alright, so anyways, make our heart go and fry up some meanwhile. And then we check back on it. I think we're supposed to flip it, right? Alright, so make this go and fry up a little bit and then we check back on it, right? Go wrong one time. So I burst the egg and I put it in the dish. And the fork accidentally burst the yolk. And everything just start coming out. But you know, you have to work, you know. It might don't look as pretty as the one in the video, but you have to work. Alright, so I'm going to add some salt and black pepper on this. This is how my Frank's art is looking. It's not looking at its best, but it can go on. It can go on. Look pretty beat up, but it can go on. I wish I had the toothpicks though to hold it. Alright, so that's how they're looking. I just flipped them a while ago. So we're going to give this a little bit of time, and then we're going to put the egg on the inside. I think when I put the egg on the inside, I'm going to use this to hold it this way so it doesn't come out this side. What do you think? Alright. Alright guys, so it's time for us to pour inside our egg. So let's see how this is going to work. Oh! Shit. You see what that's happened a while ago? How the hell them do that to get that? The egg. Maybe I used too much egg, you think? So maybe I used too much egg then, right? Alright. I'm not going to give up. I am not giving up on my heart. My hot dog heart shaped egg thingy. We will survive. We will survive. Why this or something there? I don't know. I want to think about this. It's a big failure, right? I know. But I still have another one I could try and see if the other one will come out a little bit better. But the next one I'm not going to use a whole egg. I'm going to use like a little of the egg. So I think maybe the other one will come out a little better. But anyways, make that go and do its thing. I'm going to turn down my stove and it's going to go and do its thing in the meanwhile. So I'm going to burst the other egg to go into the other heart. Guys, I took out the other franks and put it in a plate because I don't want it to get too brown up. I'm preparing the other egg to throw inside, but I want to concentrate on this one first. So look what I'm doing. I'm just getting off the edges. I'm trying to make my what you call it, the TikTok business, TikTok app survive, right? So let me just pop off a piece of the edge off of this. See if it look like something sensible. Alright, this now work out. I need to get a knife. Alright, so I'm gonna come back with a knife. Get the fork too, because come off now. You know, see me, I try to make my art look pretty. Sure. Alright. You kinda can go on now, not sure. Smooth up the edge. Alright. You kinda can go on. So I wonder, this not supposed to flip? Did he flip it? I don't remember, you know. But I can't eat this like this. This is not proper. This is not cooked. So how can I eat this? Oh, I forgot he covered the pot. Oh my god. So he covered the pot actually. Sure. You're not gonna remind me? Cover the pot for a little while. Let it stay. Alright? And then we're gonna look back on it and see how it's looking. Wow. It came out better than I expected. It's not looking too bad. Whoop. The hell? Alright, so we'll try to take up this. Come. This is not looking bad at all. This is not looking bad, right? This is not looking bad. So I'm gonna do the other one and I'm gonna get back. This is not looking bad. I did a good job actually. So guys, this is what my TikTok arc came out looking like, and I just added a little bit of French toast with it. I don't know what this is but it's fully cooked though. The egg in the middle, this one looked better, but if I had the toothpick it would look even more better. And a little ketchup at the side and my French toast. Yeah.